Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the most common PPC mistakes killing your Amazon results. Let's get into it. Are you making costly mistakes in your Amazon PPC campaigns without even realizing it? Let's break down the 5 most common errors that quietly drain ad spend and limit results. The first mistake is negating good keywords. Many sellers automatically move keywords from auto to broad to exact campaigns and then block them from their original campaigns. But Amazon tracks performance history for each keyword through a record ID. Sometimes the algorithm prefers a keyword in its original campaign. If it's driving sales, let it continue. Don't cut off what's working just because it has been promoted elsewhere. The second mistake is failing to add negative keywords regularly. When irrelevant terms keep triggering ads, they drain spend without generating conversions. If you notice patterns such as a specific color, size, or variation that never converts, add it as a negative. PPC requires consistent filtering. Remove what doesn't work and double down on what does. The third mistake is turning off old campaigns. Many sellers assume older campaigns should be replaced with new ones, but that often backfires. Campaigns with history can perform better simply because Amazon favors them. Shutting down a campaign with proven performance resets that momentum. Instead of deleting old campaigns, keep them active while testing new ones alongside. The fourth mistake is limiting campaign budgets instead of adjusting bids. Budget caps shut campaigns down once the limit is reached, often in the middle of the day. That means missed sales opportunities. A more effective approach is to adjust bids. Lowering bids reduces cost while still keeping campaigns active, ensuring ads remain visible throughout the day. The fifth mistake is ignoring click-through rate. CTR is a crucial performance signal that sellers often overlook. A low CTR usually indicates the listing doesn't stand out in search results, whether it's due to weak images, titles, or pricing. Improving CTR not only increases ad efficiency, but also strengthens organic ranking, since Amazon rewards listings that attract more clicks and sales. To recap, avoid these pitfalls. Don't negate keywords that are performing, consistently add negatives to remove wasted spend, maintain old campaigns that drive results, manage profitability through bids rather than budgets, and always pay attention to click-through rate. Addressing these 5 areas can dramatically improve ad efficiency, reduce wasted spend, and increase sales. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.